The virus which is making everyone shiver. Everyone is under crisis in this coronavirus outbreak. Let's just see the worldwide case statistics. Total confirmed cases are 17.8 millions. Total deaths are 683,000. Total recovered cases are 10.5 millions. We have to be really very careful in this pandemic. Because we don't have any vaccines yet. So let us all be safe. Now let us discuss about the main topics related to coronavirus. Most human coronavirus have certain temperature for viral growth. The temperature will be in between 33 to 35 degrees Celsius. Therefore, infection remains localized to the upper respiratory tract. This virus is most likely spread by aerosols. Coronavirus causes approximately 10 to 15% of upper respiratory tract infections. The disease is similar to the common cold caused by rhinovirus, but with a longer incubation period. The infection may exacerbate a previously existing chronic pulmonary diseases, like asthma or bronchitis, and may cause pneumonia. Coronavirus is named as solar-like appearance of their virions when seen under the electron microscope. Coronavirus are the second most prevalent cause of the common cold. Now we'll look after the structure and how it replicates. Coronavirus is enveloped virion with the longest positive ribonucleic acid genome. Diameter is 80 to 160 nanometers. The RNA genome, which have 27,000 to 30,000 bases, associates with the N protein to form a helical nucleocapsid. Protein synthesis occurs in two phases, similar to the togavirus. On infection, the genome is translated to produce a polyprotein, then it cleaved to produce an RNA-dependent RNA polymerase and other proteins. Transcription and replication of the genome occurs within the membrane vesicles, which is created by viral proteins. The L protein is produced and then uses a negative sense template RNA to replicate new genomes and produce 5 to 7 individual messenger RNAs for the individual viral proteins. Parents contain the glycoproteins E1 and E2 and a connucleoprotein, some strains. It also contains a hemagglutinin neuraminidase. The E2 glycoprotein is responsible for mediating viral attachment and membrane fusion. And it is the target of neutralizing antibodies. The E1 glycoprotein is a transmembrane matrix protein. The replication scheme for coronavirus. In this screen, you can see the molecular weights, location, functions of different proteins like E2, H1, N, E1, and L. Here is the picture of coronavirus along with their parts. It is the spike glycoprotein. And here you can see the bead-like structure, they are called nucleoprotein N. And the wire-like structure is RNA. It is matrix protein. And this is the complete structure of coronavirus along with internal parts. Here we can see some steps to prevent coronavirus. The one who is affected with virus should be quarantined strictly. Screening for fever in travelers who came from a region with an outbreak. This will limit the spread of these viruses. Sanitizing, social distancing, wearing mask to avoid the spread of virus. These are some basic steps that everyone should follow to avoid the virus. And also wash your hand frequently. Everyone be safe. Thank you for watching. Please do share with your family and friends to create awareness.